Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Metatrader 5 to TradingView. First, you need to choose a bridge service. You will sign up for one and download the Expert Advisor file from your bridge service website. You will also receive a webhook URL, which will be used later. Some popular bridge services include Pine Connector, Webhook Trade, and AlgoWay. Next, open Metatrader 5. Go to the top menu and click on File, then select Open Data Folder. Inside that folder, find MQL5, then open the Experts folder. Paste the Expert Advisor file you downloaded from your bridge service into this folder. Now go back to Metatrader 5. In the Navigator panel, right-click on Expert Advisors and click Refresh. Then go to Tools, open Options, and select the Expert Advisors tab. Make sure you enable the option that allows web requests. Add your bridge service URL to the allowed list. After that, click the Algo Trading button at the top so it turns green. Then drag the Expert Advisor onto the chart you want to trade. Now move to TradingView. Open your chart and click on the alert icon. In the alert settings, go to the Notifications tab and enable the webhook option. Paste your webhook URL there. Then go to the Settings tab. In the message box, you will paste a command generated by your bridge service. Go to your bridge dashboard, create your trade command, and copy it. Replace everything in the message box with this command. Finally, click Create. Your TradingView alerts are now connected to Metatrader 5. Thanks for watching.